So here's how to import reviews from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now from the left menu you have to scroll down and go to the apps option. After that, here in the search bar you have to simply type for the Editorify. Now here you have to simply click on the Editorify product reviews app. After that, click on the install to install the app onto your Shopify store. Then here click on the install app option at the top. Here simply click on the select option, and once you click on this option, now it will take you to the another page. Then here you have to select the template for your reviews, and once you select the template, now hit on the next step. Here you can also customize the reviews section for your store. Now you have to again hit on the next step option at the bottom. Now you have to enable these options if you want to enable these options, and then click on the next at the top right corner. After that, click on the import reviews option. And moving to the next step is you have to simply click on the import reviews from the supplier, and then in the search bar you have to search for the product. Now click on the import option next to your reviews. Once you click on the import option, now these reviews will be successfully added to your Shopify store. So that's how to add CJ Dropshipping reviews onto your Shopify store.